driving it. It's been sitting since about early October. And February 1st today. So it's been sitting here for a while. This one's a 1994. Automatic transmission. 4-cylinder. 2-liter. Standard as hell. Or even less than standard. But I can guarantee you this son of a bitch is going to start up no problem. Alright, remember this is the first time in probably 4 or 5 months now. Getting close. RPMs were a little sluggish right there. God damn it, focus. 155,782 miles. Automatic. Oh, you don't even want to know what I did there. Added some stuff to this thing. Snow. Didn't need any ass protection on this bad boy. Alright, you gotta check this out though. Shit smells. This fucking probe always goes through belts. Always had a problem with belts on this one.